Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 18th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is down 1 cent. That's 0.11%. Closed at 903, post-market down by 2 cents. So today was an interesting day. You can take a look at my Tesla video to understand a little bit what happened today at around 1:30 or 2 o'clock. So we have a red candle right here. So we were bouncing on Friday off of this $9 support. And today we started higher, went even higher, but then we're squished down, but we are still above 9. We lost stochastic over 60 and nothing else has changed. We are very close to getting a DMI cross, just so you know. Because of this German guy from Bloomberg who had this breaking news that Apple was slowing down the growth of their spending. So this is a non-news, if I can express it that way. So this is a non-news, a big nothing burger, but it impacted the market. Let's hope that this is just a little bit of a fluke and that we are going to be able to continue and break this downward resistance. This is what we are looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.